Welcome back to a look at your Maine weather. Those temperatures today did get up into 80s. This is 88 degrees. It still isn't updated yet, but even Meridian got up to 90 degrees. Wiggins at 88 as well. So those temperatures are slowly going to rise as we move towards the weekend and get back to above average for this time of the year, as we're going to continue to see some more sunshine, which will allow for those temperatures to feel a bit warmer, as well as those dew points and those feel like temperatures are going to get back up into the triple digits as well. We're continuing to see that tropical air move on through, and we're seeing that this is the 6-hour precip totals that have moved on through. So we're slowly seeing this line make its way up. Meridian is going to start tallying in some rain here any minute, as some of that line of storms are going to be tracking on up. So Hattiesburg just over 1/4 inch, Laurel just around under 1/2 inch, and even McCobb up to just under 1 inch as well. So these rainfall totals are moving through as some of that line is carrying some heavier downpours as it moves on through. And we'll continue to see just a stray shower as well, but it looks like those showers should end just after 1 o'clock tonight. That low getting down to 70, but we're going to be feeling pretty humid overnight as those showers are going to bring in some more tropical air, which make it feel a little stickier. And continuing to tomorrow, seeing that we're going to be fairly cloudy yet again and see some more showers and thunderstorms roll on through, mainly in your afternoon hours, and then seeing that we'll have them stay fairly scattered and move up in lines coming up the Gulf like we've been seeing today. So we'll see that still see just that stationary front that's just in the northern parts of the state, holding in a lot of this moisture, being able to create some isolated storms yet again for into the Alabama, Mississippi, and even into Louisiana as we move through Wednesday and into Thursday as well. We're seeing that the eastern coast is staying fairly humid as well, just before we're maybe seeing Hurricane Florence make landfall as early as Friday morning. They're kind of predicting. Right now it is a Category 4 as it heads towards the eastern coast. It may go down to a Category 3, but it's still holding a lot of energy and is still going to be catastrophic as it does make landfall throughout this week, and seeing that it will make its way and even stay fairly localized in North Carolina potentially, which is going to cause a lot of downpours and even record falls and just some destructive winds as well as it does make its way on through. We're looking at this hurricane track. It does look like, though, remembering off to the west, we are going to be seeing that we are going to be staying fairly dry. So our region into Alabama and Georgia may be seeing some sunnier skies as this does make landfall, as majority of the rain is going to be on this eastern side and make its way up the eastern coast as we move through the weekend. And it still is it's uncertain where it's exactly going to go after the weekend, so we could potentially even be seeing some rain after the fact of the storm. Taking a look, there is a disturbance just down off the Yucatan Peninsula that may be making its way in, but it looks like it's just going to create some rain for Texas and into Louisiana, not really getting into the Mississippi area. So we're not too worried about this just yet, but something to keep an eye on as we move into early on next week. We're going to see that we're going to have those chances for storms all the way up till Friday, but then looking at that weekend, it looks like that sunshine is going to be able to come out. Temperatures getting up into the 90s and lots of sunshine, so we'll be able to not worry about Hurricane Florence in our area. We can enjoy our weekend with the sunshine and make our prayers out to everybody that's in South Carolina and North Carolina, as this does potentially make landfall starting as early as Friday morning up until even seeing that it could hold off just off the coast up till even Saturday morning. So there's still a lot of uncertainty, but it is going to be a dangerous hurricane as it does make landfall.
And then it may hover over them for a while.
Yes, which is, they're seeing almost 20 inches of rain potentially.
Okay, it's going to be a major event.
Yes.
Hopefully everybody can get out and save themselves.
Yes.
All right, thank you.